Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be teaching you how to tie a berry knot. It's really simple and it just gives like some texture to your pieces and it looks really cool. So let's get started. So you take these two pieces of rope and you grab the two ends like you're going to make a square knot, because you actually are going to make a square knot. And then you just leave a little bit of space right there. And you just tie 3 square knots in a row. Then you get these 2 ropes right here and you put it through the top. And you get these 2 ropes on the side and tie 1 more square knot. It's really simple and it gives it some texture. It looks really cool. Okay, I'm going to show you that one more time. You just tie a regular square knot. You just leave it a little bit down. Leave some space there. You tie 3 square knots in a row. Grab the 2 bottom pieces, put it through that top middle hole, pull it, and then tie another square knot at the bottom.